Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the placid parish of Manchester, less than 3 minutes from the town center of Mandeville, lies your next investment pursuit. Located in Hopeton Meadows is this spacious and pristine 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms family home that has great income earning potential. The ground level consists of 2 apartments, a 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, respectively. The upper level boasts an open floor plan consisting of living room, entertainment room, dining room, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, double garage, balcony, and a state-of-the-art kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a stellar finish throughout, lighting fixtures and faucets. The land area of this house is approximately 11,338 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 520,000 or Jamaican $80 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.